Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot with 3 fingers on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can type screenshot in the search field. And then you can select this one. Okay, and then in this section you can make sure that this option is active. Okay, after that you can try to take a screenshot by sliding your 3 fingers. Again, then you can see the result on your gallery. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot with 3 fingers on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.